Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, your go-to source for all things related to the stock market and investment trends. Today we're taking a closer look at the Indian economy in 2024. The year is shaping up to be a remarkable one for India, with a projected growth rate of 6.5% as per S&P Global. Recent data from September reveals a robust year-on-year expansion of 7.6%. If this upward trend continues, it's quite possible that India might outpace China, which has a growth rate of less than 5%. This robust performance is not going unnoticed by the global community, making India an increasingly attractive destination for foreign investment. As we move forward, it's time to delve deeper into what 2024 holds for the Indian market and identify which sectors could turn out to be the most profitable. Taking a quick look at 2023, the Bombay Stock Exchange Sensex hit an all-time high of 75,057 in September. The market weathered fluctuations, demonstrating an admirable resilience. Despite a minor 3% dip, market analysts anticipate that the Sensex will once again touch the 75,000 mark by the end of the financial year in 2024. Meanwhile, the National Stock Exchange Nifty Index soared by nearly 15% from January to December in the previous year. Economic challenges certainly posed hurdles, but the Nifty showed a steady performance, speaking volumes about the strength of the Indian market. The year 2023 also saw a dividend yield of 1.24%, which is a significant figure in an era of low interest rates. This, combined with an earnings growth of over 15%, sets the stage for a bullish environment in 2024. Looking ahead, there's a palpable sense of optimism surrounding the Indian stock market. The robust performance of key indices and the overall bullish sentiment bode well for the future. However, as always, the market's trajectory will be influenced by a multitude of factors, both domestic and international. While the future is inherently unpredictable, informed speculation based on past performance and current trends can provide valuable insights. With that in mind, we turn our attention to the year ahead, eager to see what 2024 has in store for the Indian stock market. With a 1.24% dividend, 2023 recorded over 15% in earnings, setting the stage for a bullish environment in 2024. The Nifty's current PE ratio is 22, driven by domestic equity prices. This price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio, is a key market indicator that investors use to gauge the relative value of a company's shares. In essence, it's a measure of the price you are willing to pay for each unit of a company's earnings. Now, a PE ratio of 22 might seem high, but it's important to remember that this number is just a snapshot in time. It doesn't necessarily predict future performance, and it doesn't give us the full picture of the market's potential. However, it does provide a useful starting point for comparing companies and industries. It also reflects the market's optimism about India's economic prospects, with high PE ratios often associated with high growth expectations. Predictions suggest a potential 15% market growth in the next 6 months. Now, let's shift our focus to the sectors that are poised for success in 2024. As we analyze the bullish market environment, several sectors stand out for potential growth in 2024. We're seeing a broad range of sectors that are poised to leverage the projected economic growth, and they present intriguing opportunities for savvy investors. Firstly, the infrastructure sector is a key player to watch. With the Indian government's push towards enhancing rail, road, and air connectivity, the infrastructure industry is projected to experience a significant surge. The sector is not only essential for propelling economic growth, but also for attracting foreign investment, making it a strategic choice for investors. Next, we turn our attention to the IT sector. The rapid advancements in artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things are set to revolutionize this industry. The IT sector, which currently contributes around 8% to India's GDP, is predicted to generate a whopping $350 billion by 2030. This presents a compelling case for potential investment in this evolving sector. But that's not all. The real estate sector is also showing promising signs of growth. With urbanization on the rise and the increasing demand for housing and commercial spaces, real estate is expected to be a major contributor to India's economic growth in 2024. Now, let's talk about the energy sector. As India continues to diversify its energy sources and increase its renewable energy production, this sector is likely to see robust growth. The push towards renewable energy, coupled with the rising demand for energy due to urbanization and industrialization, makes this sector a potential goldmine for investors. The metal and banking sectors are also on our radar. The metal sector is expected to benefit from the global economic recovery and the high demand for metals in various industries. Meanwhile, the banking sector's performance is often considered a barometer for the overall health of an economy, and with the Indian economy on an upswing, this sector is expected to thrive. Real estate, energy, metal and banking sectors also show promising prospects for the year ahead. As always, it's crucial to do your homework and make informed decisions, but these sectors certainly offer compelling opportunities for those looking to invest in 2024. Now, what's the sentiment for the stock market in 2024? Well, the buzz is pretty optimistic to say the least. Recent polls among equity strategists suggest that the mood is positive, with an anticipated increase of about 10% by the time we bid adieu to 2024. This optimism is not just confined to seasoned investors or market gurus. Oh no, young traders and investors are also joining the party, making the most of this bullish environment. A surge in financial literacy and a growing understanding of the stock market have led to an increase in participation from these young investors. It's their enthusiasm, combined with strategic investment approaches, that's adding a fresh perspective to the Indian stock market. But as we all know, with great returns come great risks. The stock market is a bit like a roller coaster ride with its ups and downs. Yes, the market sentiment is positive, and yes, there's a lot of excitement around potential growth. However, volatility is a part of the stock market's DNA. So while the outlook for 2024 is generally optimistic, it's always crucial to keep an eye on market trends and do your homework before making any investment decisions. Remember, what goes up must come down, but with careful planning and strategic investment, you can weather any storm. However, the market remains volatile, so it's crucial to analyze trends before making any investment decisions.